Fernco QwikSeal. If you can core through it, QwikSeal can connect to it. Core a perpendicular hole to the main line. Remove the band clamp from the QwikSeal, fold and insert the QwikSeal into the opening and unfold. Pull up on the QwikSeal until it stops against the inside of the pipe. For manholes as well as thick-walled concrete pipe, the QwikSeal may not be long enough to reach the inside of the pipe or manhole. Measure the depth of the QwikSeal from the pipe stop to the top edge. Use a cut stub with a Fernco coupling or the bell end piece of the SDR35. Bevel the leading edge of the pipe stub for easier insertion into the QwikSeal. Lubricate the QwikSeal and the stub end, then install the band clamp loosely. Drive the stub end into the QwikSeal with a sledgehammer. Tighten the band clamp at 60 inch-pounds of torque. Using a shielded Fernco coupling, connect lateral pipe and check for leaks prior to backfilling. Fernco offers a complete line of hole saws and coring bits for our QwikSeal product line. QwikSeal allows you to connect service pipe to corrugated pipe, concrete pipe, SDR35 pipe, and clay pipe.